Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to switch from dark mode to light mode on TikTok. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our profile. We're going to do that by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. It's going to take us here. Next, when we're here on our profile page, we're going to click on the three stripes in the top right corner. And we're going to select the last option that we have, settings and privacy. So where the modes are, they are in display. So we're gonna search here in content and display for the display option. It's right below ads and right above screen time. So we're gonna click on that. And here in the first section that we have the appearance and we have light and dark. So now it's set to dark. We're gonna go ahead and click on light. And it changed. Now our TikTok account is in light mode. That's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.